Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset your tooltips in Adobe Photoshop. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just look in the top of your left corner, press on the three lines there, and after that you can just press on preferences and press on reset tooltips down below, and you can just see that the tooltips have been reset now, and you can just leave the page after that, and you can now edit a picture or do whatever you want in the application. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.